students, how are you all? Students, our subject is aura, that is moral story, and our topic is where's the time? And its value is valuing time. So first tell me, what is time? What is its importance? Why people always say we should value time? Yes, because it is most precious. Once the time is gone, it never comes back. It does not wait for anyone. So, value the time. So, let us begin with our story. Where's the time? Once there was a boy named Rakshit. He likes to play all time. He never does his homework on time. Her mother was tired of telling him to do his homework. Every evening, when he comes back after school, Rakshit played until it grew dark. One day, instead of going to school, Rakshit went to a nearby field. He said to himself, I hope I find someone who plays with me. Then he saw a farmer and said, Ah, there's a farmer. He said to the farmer, Good morning, uncle. Will you play with me? Farmer replied, Rakshit, not now. I am busy in sowing seeds. Rakshit says, Can't you do that some other time? Then farmer shook his head and explained to Rakshit, The rainy season is coming and I have to sow the seeds. Before that, if I am late, the seedlings will not sprout. Then I will have no food. Then Rakshit went ahead and looked around for someone else with whom he could play. And then he observed some black ants scurrying about. He said hopefully, Hello ant, would you like to play with me? Leader of ant replied, Where's the time? We are busy in collecting food for the rainy months. Rakshit said, But the rainy months are of a long way off. You can collect your food later also. Leader of ant replied, No Rakshit, if we play now, we will not able to collect enough food. You can come back when the rain starts. Then we will play with you. Then Rakshit saw some bees and said, Bees, will you play with me? He pleaded. Bees replied, Sorry, we are busy in collecting honey. And then bees continued their work. Again Rakshit pleased and said, The sun is shining. It's a day to play. Bees replied, On sunny days that the fields are full of flowers. If we don't collect the nectar now, so how we will fill our hives before the rains come? Rakshit said to himself, Nobody knows how to have fun. Then he played on his own until his stomach began to rumble. Then Rakshit returned home. As he returned home, his mother scolded him. There are only few days left for your exams. Why don't you study? But he did not worry and continued on wasting time. After a few days, he got his result and got the lowest marks in class. He ran home crying and said, Mother, Mom, I got the lowest marks in class. I had no time to study. What could I do? Then Rakshit's mother took him to the field. And mother told Rakshit, see what they are doing now. The Rakshit saw the farmer, the ants and the bees. They were enjoying the dark clouds and cool breeze. They all had finished their work on time. And now they were having fun. Rakshit said to himself, I wish I had followed their example. If I had studied when I had to, I would also have been happy today. Rakshit's mother said, Rakshit, you can do better next time and make up your mind to start studying today for your next exams, which are not far away. Rakshit nodded. I have learned my lessons, Mom, he said. Never again will all play and no work make me a dull boy. So what we learned from the story? time is very valuable. We should always do things on time. Let's see the value gems of this story. Time is precious. We should not waste time. Remember the saying, early to bed and early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy and wise. Always respect time by doing things on time correctly and carefully, not postponing things, valuing others' time, and do not make anyone wait for you. Auto suggestions. Number 1. I do my homework first and play later. Number 2. I pack my school bag for the next day before I go to bed. Number 3. I always have my breakfast before going to school. So hope students you have understood the story and learned its value, valuing time.